Are you looking for the best ice machines? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best ice machines on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Frigidaire Stainless Steel Countertop Ice Maker. What we liked most about this Frigidaire is that it gave us enough control over ice production, and made that ice relatively quickly, without being over the top or underwhelming. If you don't need an ice maker to produce a ton of cubes but also don't want something cheap, it's just right. The machine makes 2 sizes of bullet ice cubes, small and large, and 9 pieces come out per cycle, and it takes about 8 to 10 minutes per round. We prefer the thicker ice cubes for our Shirley Temple and iced coffee. The automated functionality of the machine is nice. When the cubes have formed, they drop down from the metal rods and are then pushed by a little lever into the ice basket, and a light indicates when it's full. The cubes can stay frozen in the ice machine for up to 18 hours, though we did notice the smaller cubes were naturally thinner and melted faster. We like that the melted ice water is reused for new cycles, though. The Frigidaire was fairly easy to set up and wasn't too noisy. We couldn't really hear it over the natural hum of the kitchen. The main downside was that once the ice maker is positioned and plugged in, you have to wait 2 hours before running the first cycle. But if you're prepared and don't need ice right at the moment, that's not a deal breaker. Number 2. Gevi Household Version 2.0 Countertop Gemi Nugget Ice Maker. We really appreciate the innovative construction of this ice maker from Gevi. Instead of removing the basket to fill the water reservoir, you can actually pour directly onto the open door and water will flow down into the tank. The basket has holes on the underside, so if ice melts, it'll go back into the bottom to be used for another cycle, and you can slide it out for easy and accessible scooping. Even with its large bucket, the V2.0 still fits under standard cabinets. It can make up to 38 pounds of ice per day, and can store a little less than 5 pounds in the basket. This ice maker comes with uncomplicated controls. There are only 2 buttons on the front panel, one for power and one for the cleaning function. There are indicator lights to show how it's operating, like making, add water, and ice full. Similar to the newer model, you can connect the version 2.0 to a direct water line for automatic refill, though it's not necessary. There is a muted exhaust fan for minimizing any distracting noise, and the powerful compressor increases efficiency. Number 3. GE Profile Opal 2.0 Nugget Ice Maker. Technophiles will be rejoiced with the Profile Opal 2.0 from GE. The Wi-Fi-enabled ice maker is compatible with the Smart HQ app, so you can use your smartphone to schedule when you want your next batch of ice. If you prefer to speak your instructions, the Opal can handle voice commands through Alexa and Google. We like that this model makes the good ice, or pellet ice, which is softer and easier to chew on for a more satisfying crunch. The reservoir tank is a helpful feature because it holds a little less than a gallon of water and we didn't have to refill it as often. Danny Perez, our reviews editor, feels the Opal 2.0 is worth the price tag. We understand the sticker shock, but it's still one of the best nugget ice makers available that actually looks good on your countertop, he says. It was easy to set up and reliably made enough ice for a bunch of office happy hours. We also like that the drawer comes out far enough to easily scoop out ice. Number 4. Igloo Automatic Self-Cleaning Portable Countertop Ice Maker. For picnics, tailgates, and camping, this Igloo automatic ice maker is convenient to take along with its top carry handle. The water tank can hold 2 quarts at once, and the machine produces up to 26 pounds of ice in a day. The Igloo gets plenty of points for style, with a large window on the lid that lets you keep check on how full the basket is, and you can choose between 2 different ice cube sizes. It takes about 7 minutes per cycle, and the ice maker will shut off automatically once it has reached capacity. Ice makers, like humidifiers, can build up scale if you're using them infrequently, but this machine has a convenient 5-cycle, self-cleaning mode to manage this. This design isn't the most lightweight, clocking in at 20 pounds, so be prepared to do a little bit of lifting when transporting or taking on the road. Number 5. Silonn Nugget Ice Maker. The Silonn Ice Maker is designed for your convenience. With the Silonn app, you can easily schedule when you want your Nugget ice ready, receiving alerts for status updates like a full ice basket or low water. Its user-friendly design includes a removable basket and a pull-out water tank, making it simple to access ice and refill water. Plus, you can enjoy ice in just 10 minutes, producing up to 44 pounds a day, perfect for keeping your drinks cool and refreshing. Maintenance is a breeze with its self-cleaning feature, ensuring you spend less time cleaning and more time enjoying your beverages. What we like: quick ice production, compact design, easy to use and clean, Wi-Fi scheduling, good insulation. What we don't like: can get loud over time. Ice bin could be larger.